Hello guys, welcome back to our mobile computing video series. In this lesson we will explore the third generation mobile services, a major advancement in the wireless communication technology. 3G brought high speed data transfer, improved the voice quality and support for the multimedia applications like the video calling and mobile internet browsing. We will discuss the IMT 2000 vision and the core technologies behind the 3G and including the WCDMA, CDMA 2000 and the quality of service QoS improvements that made the 3G networks more efficient. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how 3G revolutionized the mobile communication and paved the way for modern networks. So stay tuned and you can take notes and let's begin our journey in mobile computing. So overview of the IMT 2000 vision. The International Mobile Telecommunication 2000 vision was a global initiative by the International Telecommunication Union ITU to standardize the 3G or third generation mobile networks. The goal was to create a unified system that provide high speed data access, improved voice communication and you can say the seamless global roaming. IMT 2000 defined 3G as a network capable of delivering the data speed at least 144 kbps for mobile users, 384 kbps for pedestrians and up to 2 mbps for stationary users. The significant increase in the data speed allow the users to access the mobile internet, video streaming and online gaming. INT 2000 also aimed to integrate different wireless technologies including the GSM, CDMA and satellite network into a single global standard. Various regions implemented the IMT 2000 under the different names such as UMTS, Universal Mobile Telecommunication System in Europe and CDMA 2000 in North America. Okay, so adoption of IMT 2000 standards enable interoperability between the networks, making the international travel and communication easier. So, understanding the IMT 2000 vision helps in analyzing the foundation of modern mobile networks and their evolution toward the 4G and the 5G technologies. So, now WCDMA and CDMA 2000 technologies, the two primary technologies that provided the 3G networks were wideband code division multiple access WCDMA and CDMA 2000. WCDMA was the technology used in the universal mobile telecommunication systems, primarily adopted in the Europe and the Asia. It operated on a 5 MHz bandwidth, providing the higher data rates and better capacity for voice and multimedia services. WCDMA used spread spectrum technology that allowing multiple users to share the same frequency band efficiently. On the other hand, CDMA 2000 developed by Qualcomm was widely used in the North America and some parts of Asia. CDMA 2000 operated on a narrower 1.25 MHz channel, making it more spectrum efficient and suitable for areas with limited frequency resources. It supported features like the single carrier radio transmission technology for enhanced voice quality, evolution data optimized for high speed internet access, e-video. Both technologies aim to provide the seamless connectivity, better call quality and improved data service. So the choice between these two technologies depends on the regional regulation and the operator preference. Understanding these technologies helps in analyzing how different parts of the world implemented the 3G networks to enhance the mobile communication. The quality of service in the 3G network. One of the most significant improvements in the 3G networks was the enhancement of QoS, ensuring the better performance for voice and the data services. QoS in the 3G network was designed to prioritize the different types of traffic based on user needs. For example, voice calls required low latency and high reliability, while video streaming need high bandwidth and minimal buffering. To achieve this, 3G networks implemented advanced traffic management techniques like the packet switching, scheduling, congestion control, bandwidth allocation. Additionally, handover mechanism were improved, allowing the seamless transitions between the different network cells without call drops. Another key features was power control, which adjusted the transmission power dynamically to maintain a stable connection while reducing their interference. So, security enhancements such as better encryption protocols and authentication mechanisms made 3G networks more secure against the fraud and unauthorized access. So, the introduction of high speed packet access HSP further boosted 3G performance, enabling the faster download and upload speed. Understanding QoS in the 3G network helps in analyzing how mobile services become more efficient and user friendly, setting the stage for the 4G LTE and beyond.